Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Netflix account using your iPhone. So, to begin with, what you need to do is go to your preferred web browser. For this instance, I'll go with Safari. And once you are in Safari, what you need to do is Google Netflix. Now, once you Google Netflix, the first website that will be netflix.com. Now, what you need to do is click on that and wait for it to load up. Website loads up. Now here you will have an option, a slot where you can enter your email address. Enter your email address there and click on get started. Now once you do that, you'll go to the next page where it will tell you to finish setting up your account, and here you would need to click on next, and you would need to create a password to protect your account. Now once you enter your password, now what you need to do is you would get this option below saying that do not email the Netflix special offer. So what usually happens is if some new show is coming on to Netflix, and if some new packages they're offering, any discount and stuff, they will email you. So let's suppose you have this email also for work purposes, and you don't want it to be cluttered with other emails, so you can just check that option, and then Netflix won't email you on that email by notifying you of any special offers or any shows that are coming onto the platform, but they will notify you of the payments if they process any payment for the next month's or something like that. So other than that, what you need to do is click on next, and now once you click on next, now what will happen is it'll tell you to choose your plan. So basically here you can click next, and it'll take you to this screen, the next screen, and here you can choose the plan which you want. So it depends to the region where you are from, or if you are signing up using any discount coupon or any specific link that you found through some YouTube creator or some other platform, then the price might be different for you. But there are pretty much three categories that they offer: the basic, standard, and premium. So you would go with the one that is better for you. You can choose that plan, and what you need to do is once you're happy with that, you scroll down and click on next. Now once you click on next, you will get this option of saying choose how to pay. So basically this is this method, it depends on, again, on your region, but the credit card option that will be like the same, and the other aid to mobile bill or get a gift code, that can be like different for the region where you are from. So what you need to do is choose the one that you think is better and through which you can pay Netflix. So once you are sure of that, what you need to do is go to that method, and that method, as I said, is different for every different person from different region. So yeah, you will have to go through that, just enter your credentials, and after that click on finish, and then Netflix will charge you, and your Netflix account will be there for you to begin with. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.